Hello everyone, my name is Dowlat. I'm Turkmen language teacher. Students, today we are going to study the case number 3. From the previous class we started studying the cases. I told you that we have 6 cases and we studied 2 of them, baş düşüm, eğilik düşüm, and today we are going to study the third case, the dative case in English language, and Ýönelis düşüm in Turkmen. That is Ýönelis düşüm. So let's get started. No need to waste time. So students, this case answers kime, neme, nira. Kime, neme, nira. So to whom, for whom, and neme, towards what, to what end. Something like this, yeah. Nira, to where. So students, this case it describes an action directed towards something and is roughly equivalent to in English, to. So usually we use this case Ýönelis düşüm, kime, neme, nira, like when we want to say that our actions directed towards something or someone. For example, suffixes of the dative case. Ýönelis düşüm, koşulmaları. The suffixes of dative case. The suffixes of dative case are na, ne, we add after the vowels, and a, e after the consonants. Na, ne, and a, e, and also there must be e. There must be e. Yeah, this one. A, e, and e. We add after the consonants. We add them after the consonants. So these are about the suffixes. It's simple. A, e, and e. For example, men Turkmenistan'a gidecek. Men Turkmenistan'a gidecek. So where is the suffix? The suffix is here. A. N. Turkmenistan is a N consonant. We added vowel because as I told you here, after the consonants we add a, e, or e after the vowels, na, ne. Men Turkmenistan'a gidecek. A. Turkmenistan'a gidecek. I will go to Turkmenistan. I will go to Turkmenistan. Git is a go, cek is a future tense. Like I will go in the future, in the near future maybe. Men Turkmenistan'a gidecek, I will go to Turkmenistan. Okay, the next example. Sen kime garaşyan? Sen kime garaşyan? Kim is a who. E is a Ýönelis düşüm suffix. Why we added e here and a here? A is a yoğun çekimli, a yoğun çekimli, back vowel, i ince çekimli, e ince çekimli, front. Sen kime garaşyan? Whom are you waiting for? Or like, yeah, I know this is not the correct maybe to say to whom are you waiting for, but in Turkmen language this is how we say, like sen, you, to whom, waiting. It would be like this. If we translate word by word, the meaning would be like this. The next example. Ol nire gitmeli. Ol nire gitmeli. Here we added e. E is ince, e is ince. But why we didn't add e? Because here nire we say it long. Nire we say it long. That's why. This is the one reason why we change it to the e, and another reason, nire. This is e. The question would be. The question actually nire. Let me write it. The question is nira here. When we add the suffix, a to a become a. To a becomes a. So that's why nira gitmeli, and we say it longer. Fen nira gitmeli, to where he or she should go. And the next one, biz mektebe gitmeli. Biz mektebe gitmeli. We should go to school. And students, here actually we have what? P, mektep. Mektep is a P. We added vowel. P changes to the B. And B in the middle or at the end of the word, we do not read it as a B, we read it as a V. I don't say mektebe gitmeli. I say mekteve gitmeli. We should go to school. We should go to school. Men mektebe gitmeli. So here too, here the suffixes are indicated as a to in English language. So this case also describe abstract direction. Abstract direction, that means when it comes to the object, to the people, to the person or people. Cemala çay gerek. Cemal is the name of the girl. Cemala çay gerek. Cemal needs a tea, or in saying in another word, tea is necessary to Cemal. Let me translate word by word. Cemal to tea needs. Yeah, it will be like this. Cemal needs tea. And another one, men ona pul bermeli. Men ona pul bermeli. Ona, to him or to her. I should give him or her money. I should give to him or her money. It's like that. If I translate directly, it will be men, I, ona, to him, to her, money, and should give. Ber, give. Meli is a suffix should. One more time. I, to him, her, money, give, should. It would be like this. Men ona pul bermeli. Okay, thank you so much for watching. This is all for today.